At the University of Waikato, research is unlocking the potential of our natural products. From seaweed chemistry that protects crops, to Manuka honey science that strengthens export markets and builds global confidence.
Seaweed is a multi-billion-dollar industry in a global sense, but New Zealand has just a tiny little portion of this. And so we're really trying to grow the local seaweed industry to provide novel species for farmers to grow here and diversify. The sea lettuce ulva is an excellent candidate for farming here in New Zealand because it's a really common seaweed. It also grows really well in these free-floating systems, which makes them ideal for land-based farming, where we can grow seaweed all year round in these controlled recirculating or flow-through systems.
But growing the seaweed is only the beginning. Leading the chemistry is Dr. Chris Glasson, applying science to improve terrestrial crop systems.
Seaweed polysaccharides boosts the immune system of plants by the plant sensing them as a pathogen, a disease-causing organism, and causing an immune response. But this happens without causing any actual disease. The most intriguing part is that the plant has a memory of this, and when it's actually faced with a disease-causing organism later on down the track, its immune response is much faster and stronger. The structure-activity relationships are really important to understand. By understanding them, we are able to produce reliable, consistent product which work for the grower and give them confidence to apply the product.
To move discoveries from lab to orchard, the University of Waikato works with industry. At the Bioeconomy Science Institute in Ruakura, Dr. Joël Van Est helps bring seaweed research into practice.
This collaboration with Waikato University is very exciting because it allows us to answer some very important questions. In particular, how we can protect plants from pathogens using products which are safe and sustainable. There are 3 products which are used today by the industry, and that is copper-based product, an elicitor called Actigard, and biological control agent. There are limitations with those 3 products. Copper accumulates in the soil. Actigard is removed from the market in Europe, so might have limitation on how we use it in New Zealand. And biological control agent rely on the climatic conditions being favorable for its establishment on the plant. Seaweed extract is one of these new tools that would make kiwifruit plants more resistant or less susceptible. And in the first results we have so far, we have plants which are protected to the same extent as when they treated with Actigard, which is very exciting.
At the Waikato campus, research takes many forms. As seaweed chemistry delivers new tools for growers, honey science helps protect one of New Zealand's most valuable exports. Dr. Megan Granger, Director of the Honey Research Unit, explores what makes Manuka honey unique and what that means for quality, testing and future uses.
Manuka is well known for its non-peroxide antibacterial property, and this is due to a compound called methylglyoxal, also known as MgO for short. Manuka honey is highly sought after globally, and therefore it is heavily tested. It's one of the most tested honeys in the world, and because Manuka has all these other compounds in it, often these interact with the test and affect the test results, giving false positives. We're trying to understand why it fails the tests, and this means we're able to look for different methodology for these test requirements. We want to create research that is collaborative with others, not only nationally but internationally, to learn more about this fascinating honey.
From seaweed to honey, this research is driving new solutions helping New Zealand's primary industries thrive sustainably and strengthening global trust in what we grow and export.